There are 3 papayas in each fruit basket. This is fruit basket, Adrian. This is fruit basket. This is fruit basket, okay? Let's see.
Right.
How many? How many papaya are there in total? How many papaya are there in total? There are 4 fruit baskets. Each fruit basket has 3 papaya. How many papayas are there? How many fruit baskets should we put on the table? How many fruit baskets? How many fingers do I have here?
4.
4. Okay, let's put 4. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
2, 3, 4. How many papayas are there here? Let's count together. 1,
Easy, easy. My answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
12. Good job. So how many papayas are there? 12.